Hi everyone, I am Arun JULKA. Today's topic is area under curve. In part 3, we'll talk about how to find area of trigonometric function, modulus function and semi-figures like semicircle, semi-ellipse and semi-parabola. Example 1. Find area of y equal to sin x between x equal to 0 to x equals to 2 pi. First, we draw the graph of y equal to sin x. We take the value of sin x at 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. Sin 0 is 0, sin 90 is 1, sin 180 is 0, 270 is minus 1 and 360 is 0. First, we draw the graph, shade the area and find the shaded area. Required area is OABO plus BCDB. First area is 0 to pi sin x. Next is minus pi to 2 pi. Why is negative? Because when you want to find out area below the x-axis always be negative. Or we can say it is twice of OABO, which is equal to twice of 0 to pi sin x. Or we can say it is 4 times of OAEO, which is 4 times of 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx. Integration sin x is minus cos x. After putting upper and the lower limit and inserting the value of cos pi by 2 and cos 0, we'll get the answer 4 square units. Next example. Find area of y equal to cos x between x equal to 0 to x equals to 2 pi. First, we draw the graph of y equal to cos x. We draw the graph cos x at 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. Cos 0 is 1, 90 is 0, 180 is minus 1, 270 is 0 and 360 is 1. Now, shaded area is this. But we will find only OABO and make 4 times of that. This is equals to the required area. So this is 4 times of 0 to pi by 2 cos x dx. Integration of cos x is sin x. After putting upper and the lower limit, we will get the answer 4 square units. Next example. Find area of y equal to in the mod of x minus 3 between x equal to 0 to x equal to 6. Whenever we have modulus function, you'll find the breakpoint of the function. The breakpoint of this modulus function is 3. When x is less than 3, the value of mod x minus 3 is minus of x minus 3. When x is more than or equal to 3, the value of function is x minus 3. Now we draw the graph. At 3, value of function is 0. Now we take a left hand value and a right hand value. In left we put 2. 2 is less than 3, so we put in the upper side and we'll get 1. Then we take a right hand value, it is 4. The answer is at 4 is again 1. So when we draw these two lines, we'll get y equal to minus of x minus 3 and the y equal to x minus 3. And now we shade the area. Now the required area is OAB plus BCD. OAB is the area 0 to 3 minus of x minus 3 and BCD is the area of 3 to 6 x minus 3 dx. Now after integration, we'll get the integration of x minus 3 is x minus 3 whole square divided by 2. And now putting the upper and the lower limit, we'll get the answer 9 square units. Next example. Find area of y equals to the root of 9 minus x square. It is a semicircle. First we put x equal to 0. When you put x equal to 0, the value of y is only 3, positive 3. When we put y equal to 0, then 0 equals to 9 minus x square in root. And 9 minus x square equal to 0. So x square equal to 9, the value of x is plus minus 3. Now we have 3 points, 0, 3 and plus minus 3, 0. First we plot these 3 points on the graph. And after joining these 3 points, we'll get semicircle. Now shade this. Required area is twice of OABO, which equals to twice of limit 0 to 3 in the root of 9 minus x square. After integration, we'll get x by 2 in the root of 9 minus x square plus 9 by 2 sine inverse x upon 3. Now after putting upper and the lower limit, we will get answer twice of 9 by 2 sine inverse 1. Sine inverse 1 is pi by 2. So the answer is 9 pi by 2 square units. Next example. Find area of y equal to 5 by 2 in the root of 4 minus x square. It is semi-ellipse. Put x equal to 0. We'll get the value of y 5. Put y equal to 0. So 0 equals to 5 by 2 in the root of 4 minus x square, squaring both sides, and we'll get 4 minus x square equal to 0. The value of x is plus minus 2. Now we have 3 points on the ellipse 0, 5, plus minus 2, 0. Plot these 3 points on the graph and join these 3 points and we'll get semi-ellipse. Shade this area. Now the required area is twice of OA BO, which equals to twice of integration 0 to 2. Value of y is 5 by 2 in the root of 4 minus x square. 2 cancel by 2. Take 5 outside. And now the integration of root of 4 minus x square is x by 2 in the root of 4 minus x square plus 4 by 2 sine inverse x by 2. And the limit is 0 to 2. After putting upper and the lower limit, we will get answer 5 pi square units. Last example. Find area of parabola y equal to root x between x equal to 0 and x equal to 4. At x equal to 0, the value of y is 0. At x equal to 4, the value of y is 2. Now we plot these 2 points 0, 0 and 4, 2 on the graph. Now by joining these 2 points, we'll get semi-parabola, and the required area is OABO, which equals to 0 to 4 root x dx. Now integration of root x is x to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, limit 0 to 4. After putting upper and the lower limit, we will get answer 16 by 3 square units.